Meaning of haulier.
haulier,
Haulier.
haulier,
Haulier. The term haulier refers to a person or company that transports goods by road. They can be small, independent businesses or large corporations with fleets of vehicles. The main job of a haulier is to transport goods from one location to another in a safe and timely manner. This includes loading and unloading cargo, navigating routes, and complying with transportation regulations. Successful hauliers must have a strong understanding of logistics, have reliable vehicles and equipment, and be able to communicate effectively with clients and other transport professionals.